All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still building our text to SQL model. But we're actually still tinkering around with it from yesterday. I didn't pick back up the instructor just yet. I did take a couple hours to try to play around with both models on a Colab and the VSC code version. I actually tried to play around with both versions inside of the VSC code. So let's see exactly what happened when I tried to do that. So the first one we're gonna do the Colab. I'm gonna get my terminal open. Hopefully everything cooperates and plays nice. Let's get that going. Let's see what happens when we do this. And tonight we're gonna switch it up with the query we ask, just so it doesn't get redundant and repetitive. We can give it a bunch of different looks, even though it's not saving any of this information. I don't think it is, but just to be on the safe side, we're gonna switch it up. So that's our query. Bam. So we're still having the same issue here with the Colab version of it, but we are able to run the Colab version in our VS Code seamless, no issues at all. So we're still having the same problem with the repetitive motion here. So that's one. Now we're gonna check my let me get this closed right here. Now we're gonna check my VSC code version. And I did some tinkering around with this one also. So let's see if we were able to get anything going or get any further without the instructor's help. Like I said, the instructor's still stuck for now. The last time I watched the course material, the instructor was stuck on the response is and then no text afterwards, and that's exactly what I was with my VS Code version. And I did work on it a little bit, so let's see if I was able to make any progress. I destroyed both these codes a bunch of times today within the 3 hours, and I was able to restore them somewhat. Then I fixed them, then I broke them again, then I fixed them again. So let's see where we're at right now. As we can see, the Colab version was back to its normal self. Let's see if this VSC code version holds up. It's taking kind of long to run already. Let's see if it even boots up. Looks like it wants to. Okay, we're gonna use the same query. Spelled that wrong. There we go. Now let's see what happens here. What do you know? Look at that. So I got a little bit further. As you can see, it's still repetitive, but now we don't have the whole array or the whole list of things that were in that list. We don't have the whole list of items that was in that list, like the name, the section. What was the other? What's the name? What was the section? I can check really quickly so we can be 100% clear what we're looking at here. So it's the name, class, and the section. So that's what we're looking at when we see that. But I was able to get it down to just the name because that's what the response is asking. It's who is the influencer, and it's just giving us back the name. As you can see, Aaliyah is the influencer. So instead of having Aaliyah and then all of the other attributes that we didn't ask for, we got explicitly what we asked for. But the only issue is we're still having is it's still repetitive. But we did get a lot further on our own. Like I said, we haven't checked back in with the instructor yet, so I'm not sure. I'm sure he cracked it, of course. I'm sure he knows what he's doing and he got it. But just want to say that I was able to achieve this without tapping back into the instructor and getting any kind of guidance. But maybe I needed some guidance. As you can see, we're still having that repetitive motion, like I said. But hey, at least we got even further than we did yesterday. But I'm going to keep moving forward. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.